Hello everyone. Thanks for tuning in. I'm bringing you another review with Youhoo Reviews from You Know Who, and that's me, Michelle, of course. Today I am reviewing Canvas Beauty products. I'm going to go in here so you can see. I actually got two of these bottles, so that's how I'm reviewing it, because this one's nice and full. The other one is in there with my hair products. So this one is the Hair Blossom Serum. It says, watch your hair blossom. It is 4 ounces. I thought their packaging is really awesome. This is the part that turns, and that's how the oil comes out. It is a really thick product, so it's not going to it's not super runny. It's not a thin oil. Here's some of the information or info on the back. It says for hair textures 2C to 4C. And there's some other info there. And then back to the front. So definitely nice product. Nice packaging. They definitely had that down. This is how it came packaged. Sorry, I forgot to say that. My dog got a hold of this card here. So there's only a little bit left. But it's just like, welcome cards. Thanks for purchasing cards. And it does say to do a review online. So there's that. It comes with these little peanut popcorns. Now mine I got as a Christmas special. I was saving it. I don't know what I was saving it for, but I was saving it for like a month or two before I tried it. Well, not a month or two, about a month. And then I tried it. The other bottle I would say is about halfway empty. And so the special I got in was a Secret Santa special. I think it was $29.99 for everything. So I got 2 8-ounce bottles of this. I'm sorry, 2 4 ounces. This one is 8 ounces. And I'm going to do this one next. And then this one is 2 ounces. And I got 2 of these. So, okay. So here's this product. It is called the Full Blossom Hair Follicle Booster. And it says watch your hair blossom as well. It gives you some information in the back. It tells you it has no parabens, no sulfates, no synthetic colors, and not to test it on animals. And then here's the directions. It tells you to place a small amount on your scalp and rub in. Now this stuff I can say, guys, it does, I guess you would call it foam up or suds up. A little amount will cause a lot of bubble action on your scalp. So, yeah, let me see if I can open it here. So you can kind of see in there. It looks like bluish. Boop, boop, boop. Okay. So I've only used the wash a couple times. Now what it feels like on my scalp is like when you use a minty shampoo. Honestly, that's what it felt like to me. So I don't know if it's working or doing any magical on my follicles, but it did feel nice. It felt like refreshing, and it felt like that minty sensation you get on your scalp when you buy a minty shampoo. And then this one is the Canvas Edge Bay is what it's called, and it's just edge control. So let me try to open this. Sorry guys for the movement. Okay, and you can see that there. So honestly, I only stuck my finger in the other edge control just to see how sticky it was. It doesn't seem super sticky or anything like that. I know it definitely will work. My hair does really good with edge controls. I just really haven't had to use it just yet because I'm still finishing up another one that I have. Before this, it's a different brand, but I don't want to waste it, or I don't want to start using this one until I actually need it. So that's the only reason why both of them are still here. But it does smell really, really good. You can definitely smell it as soon as you open it. Now, I'm sorry, going back to this product, I meant to tell you what it smells like. So it is a thick serum. It's like an orangey color. I don't feel like pouring any out right now. This one's not even opened or used. Like I said, the other one is. But it's just like a orangey color. It's orangey brown. It's pretty thick. It's not going to be runny, but it will do like drops or dollops. And besides, it's just for your scalp. It's not for your whole head. But the thing is, it does have kind of like an odd smell. I don't know how to describe it. Let me see here. I thought there was some type of, I don't know why I thought that. Maybe I was incorrect, so I'm not going to say that because I don't see it here. There we go. Okay. So yes, I do remember now. It does have cayenne pepper in it, and that is supposed to help stimulate the follicles for growth, I guess, or help your hair grow. I don't know. But it does have an odd smell, you guys. So I let my mom try it one day, and she put it on the back of her hand, and she wouldn't really put it in her hair. She said, it smells like popcorn oil. And I thought that was a funny but perfect description. Because for Christmas, for my dad's birthday, he got a big popcorn machine, you know, the like professional kind. And so they deal with the oil now. And she said it smells like popcorn oil. And I was like, that's a perfect description. So I don't know if that's something you necessarily want to walk around smelling like. But I don't think that was her intention. But that's the smell that comes across, is like popcorn oil. You're definitely going to smell it. It's not going to be like, oh, I don't really smell it. No, you will smell it. It won't be like a disgusting, disturbing smell. It's not super duper strong, but it is a light smell. And like I said, my mom's description was popcorn oil, and she didn't know anything about the product. I did show her the ingredients after, and she said, oh, okay, that makes sense. Maybe that's why. But the only thing is, I have to give an honest review, and this stuff made me itch really, really bad. And just to make sure, I was like, maybe it's something I already had. I washed my hair, and a couple days later, I tried it again, and I had the same reaction. So I don't know if that's an adverse reaction. I don't know if maybe my hair is not agreeing with one of these items. I don't know. But I do have other oils that I use and can use. But this one definitely makes me itchy. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this stuff. This has not been opened. There's a seal at the top. Both the edge bays are not opened. Like I said, I did use one because I stuck my finger in it. But the shampoo is the only thing that I love and will be continuing to use. So not to bash the company. It just didn't work for me. And I definitely was itchy, and the smell to me wasn't like a pleasant oil that I would want to walk around smelling like, or, you know, hug somebody and they smell my hair. So, yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to drop it below. Definitely go to their website. Maybe they have some other products that would work for you. Like I said, I'm not trying to give them a negative review. It's just a product did not work for me because both times I tried it, I got excessively itchy and the smell wasn't very pleasant. Except for of the Edge Bay, which I haven't really used, just on my skin. And then the shampoo. That one's minty, freshy, airy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I hope it was informative to you. Other than that, you guys be sure and have a good evening. And thank you for watching.